attention stays crowded with personal plans, movement feels limited and direction feels strained. Quiet the senses gently, let outer noise slow, create space for inspiration to begin to show. When focus turns inward, clarity begins. Mental activity settles and alignment steps in. Quiet the senses and listen within, where deeper guidance flows. Stillness reveals direction that already knows. When awareness rests in unity, strength becomes clear. Opportunity opens naturally when the center is here. Let a thought soften its movement, let intention become calm. Focus awareness inward, where connection feels strong. Unity replaces effort, trust replaces force. Direction becomes natural when aligned with source. Presence carries depth when stillness is allowed. Opportunity gathers quietly without demand. Quiet the senses and listen within. Let awareness expand. The greatest movement begins from still in a land when thought rests in connection. Possibility grows, access opens wide to what depth is found in stillness, not noise or speed. Opportunity waits in silence, ready to be seen. Quiet the senses and listen within, where power is near. Unity shapes experience when direction is clear. Awareness opens access beyond what was planned. Possibility unfolds from inner command. What quiets becomes receptive, what listens understands. The inner world opens doors when awareness stands.